Let's just do first things first. eBay guaranteed fit. Okay, this is what I'm gonna say. I tried that opening up. Said I had a problem with it. This is what eBay did. The return is closed. They didn't really give a flying fuck, to tell you the truth, so their guarantee doesn't fit. And matter of fact, this guy, the feedback I left, he was able to take it down because, how do I say it? Quote unquote, because I made a video that I was threatening him for personal gain, that there was no substance to it. Basically, I was trying to screw him out of the stripes and trying to get my money back at the same time. So that's what they do for you. Okay, we got that clear. So he got me out of $112. That's fine, because he lives in a third world country in a hut anyway. But hey, you know, who am I to say? This is the best that I could do. So I needed 2.5-inch camber in the front, and this was the quickest and fastest. And I could have done it a different way, and I would have to hog some stuff out and bought a special tool, this, that, and another thing, and 2 stars against the moon, and whatever you want to call it. So it was just easier to do this. You pay good money for it, and they don't even give you an ORFIT for the grease. So basically what you got to do is pry this off and shove grease in it, because they don't even give you an ORFIT. Wow, that's pretty special. Okay, so this is what I pushed out. Here's the old cambers, just center. Okay, this is the best way I can explain it. There is a lot of videos out there. No, there's videos out there how to put these cambers in, and a lot of them are for challenge. a lot of them are for chargers. You would assume they're the same, but they're not. Then when you do find one that says Challenger, they show you the top bushing. They don't show you the bottom bushing. The bottom bushing is tapered. They're telling you, on the charger anyway, that this taper, this is thinner, goes this way. Tapered step bush, and then you go to the directions, this tapered step bush is on top. No, it's not. It's that one right there. But they say that's the straight bushing, which is not true whatsoever. Then you go down, then you got the aluminum ones, which are the older ones, and then you got the metal ones. Then if you actually read, then it shows you the right way to do it. Because and I did it because I had to push it in and push it out. If you spin this around the other way, like all these guys are chargers are doing, which I guess maybe on a charger is different, that this will slam against. I can't show you. Yeah, I can show you because I've already got it pressed in. It will slam against. Where that bolt hole is, that casting, that metal casting, will slam on this bolt and right here. So there's no way for it to fit. So you have to swing the camera around the other way, the thin part towards the back, not to the front. Everybody's telling you one thing. I'm not telling you I'm the smartest tool in the shed, but I'm just telling you there is no way that you could do it and flip-flop it, because you have to have this space so it doesn't rub. Anyway, so I put a 1.5-inch camber here. Actually, these cambers are, I didn't know you could get different sizes. It's 1.5. I put it at a 1.0. It still was a half 0.5 negative camber. I don't want no negative camber. They say on cars it's pretty customary to have 0.1 negative camber. I don't want it. I don't care what they say. I'm not saying I'm smarter than them. I want my tires flat. I don't want them to wear out. That's all I got to say on that one. So this side is done. Probably can't tell the difference, but she stands up like she's supposed to. And that was that was only 1.0 camber. So I adjusted the camber, and once you have to adjust the camber, it's hard. When you have to go straight across, it's easy. I don't know how to explain it, but anyway, that's the best way I can explain that. Maybe that'll help somebody, maybe it won't, and get an impact. get something that's got some torque, because otherwise you're gonna play, it's gonna be hard. See, this has got 2.5-inch negative camber. I could have went with some Jerry Rig Johnny stuff. Well, I shouldn't say Jerry Rig Johnny. I'm just saying I could have went the cheaper route. But I don't believe that I could still get, still could get 2.5 negative camber out. I need to give some positive camber. So those A-arms will give me 3.0 positive camber to get rid of all this. So basically I gotta drop this right there. I gotta take that bolt out. I think I have to move the strut. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I gotta take that out, take that bolt out, and I hope everything goes smooth, but you know, it don't seem to go smooth, and it'll give him my camber back. Yeah, because I don't, this is too much camber, way too much camber. It's a thought, I'm not sure. I did tint the windows. I'm sure I'll get pulled over for them, and I'm happy for them because I got a little thing that says, from my friend Craig, that says I'm good to go. That's all I'm going to say on that one. Okay. Shut this off. This is the best way I could say it to everybody. Believe it or not, take it for what it's worth, throw in the garbage as you leave out the door, it don't matter to me. Me and Milo Garage talked many times. Believe it or not, I don't really care. But me and him talked a lot that you do get a lot of positive feedback and you get a lot of negative feedback. You get these computer cowboys. And yes, the computer cowboys, people will tell you don't listen to them. But when you start hearing so much of it, it just gets to the point that you get tired of even making videos because you just listen to a bunch of idiots run their fucking jaws about shit they don't know what they're fucking talking about. That's the best way I can fucking say it to y'all. Anyway, me and Milo was once saying that what if we just stop doing it for like 6 months? See what happens. Would the hating go away? Because you still get your share of hating, and then you get people who says, if you do this, this will happen. No, you're basically saying it and you have no proof or no bias. No, not bias, you have no proof behind what you're stating. Like about the eBay thing. They're on my side, no, they're not on your side. I proved it right there. So don't spit shit out you don't fucking know. That's just the best way I can fucking say it. When I'm right, you fucking let me be right. When I'm wrong, I'll fucking tell you I'm wrong. And I won't tell you what I think. If you don't ask, I'm not gonna fucking over here guess in the corner. Anyway, maybe I'm not for everybody. That's true. It doesn't bother me one way or another because it's really getting to the point of shit don't start getting cleared up real quick. Pretty much done doing videos, you know? This is just a waste of fucking time. It just really is. Piece of property, piece of oneself, peace on earth, rest in peace. Big piece of pie, piece of action, piece of pussy, piece of quarter, piece of pizza. When the big dogs get all done eating, even puppies like me get a piece of something, motherfucker. So if you don't like what I'm saying, give me a thumbs down. Let me know how it works out for you. See if I care a lot. Enjoy your eating, I surely will.